Subject English, class 1st to 10th. Informations of English rhyming words with Marathi. Rhyming word of OUND is ound, found, around, ground, round, bound, wound, profound, pound, mound, mount, surround, abound, surround, abound, hound, rebound, unsound, aground, unfound, redound, grounds, pounds, bounds, hounds. Now read and write activity of these rhyming words. For more videos, please like and subscribe my Fast Learning YouTube channel.